using sound to put myself in a deeper trance as I practice moving chi energy. About as simply as I can put it. I'm going to use a mantra. Usa Uima Uima Usa Usa Uima Uima Usa. Uima Uima Usa Usa Us Uima Uima As you can see, using sound with the movements, trying to still your mind and meditate, what I feel like it's doing, it's helping me to tap into some of these really dark places that human beings have. You know, they can unlock those deep, primordial desires and angers and fears. So you're kind of bringing it up. And you're actually using it in a positive light because you're putting it into your martial arts. The more of yourself you can put into everything you do, the better it's going to become. So that's the idea behind this. I haven't really seen any other videos trying to use sound. So it occurred to me that, you know, the deeper you can get into a meditative state when you're trying to practice, the better you'll become. And you'll actually be able to tap into some of those hidden strengths too. There's a lot more power where that came from, basically. It's limitless what you can tap into. and you feel it when it's kind of moving through your arms, just kind of like the way water moves. So it all starts with breathing. If you can learn to breathe properly, you'll kind of start to really develop that mind and body. And then what will happen is all this crap's going to start to come up in your mind, all this negative stuff you've been holding on to for years. And then you might actually have like a breakthrough where you kind of clear out all this stuff. I heard one guy call it taking out the trash. So if you're lucky enough to have that happen, that's great. It'll only help you, because that's the real benefit of martial arts that outweighs everything, is that it has the power to transform people's lives and turn them into something better. I know it's definitely done that for me. Thank you.